ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ತಿ ಬೇಡ. Very good, beta. That's right. Now this is a specific answers. Now this is a specific answer. Maybe I hope all of you listening very well. Okay. Now we will move to the next. Such these problems will be happened, and now a new system is devised in the early days, my dear students. By the early 19th century, many of the company officials were convinced that the system of revenue had to be changed again. Such company officials they convinced to the other peoples and the governor generals they have to be changed the revenue system in the early days, my dear students. How could revenue be fixed permanently at a time when the company needed more money to meet its expenses of administration and trade? It is very expenses to the administration and trade, my dear students. So that's why how that will become a existence. They ask their self questions only. Now, in the northwestern province, okay, of the Bengal presidency, most of these areas is now in Uttar Pradesh. An Englishman called Holt Mackenzie devised the new system which came into effect in the year of 1822. He felt that the village was an important social institution. The village was an important social institution in North Indian society and need to be preserved. Means we have to give a chance to the way we have to focus on villages only. Here, Holt Mackenzie, he devised the new system, my dear students. In this new system, he is giving to the importance to the society, my dear students. Such villages are there. Villages, they have a lot of societies. Societies means a lot of communities of people, lot of groups of people. They are living in a mainstream society. He is giving a what we call society. He is giving importance to the society, and he want to preserve the such people. Preserve means he want to stop the people to migrate from one country to another country. See, under his directions, collectors went from village to village. What is happening here, my dear students? Under his directions, some collectors they went to the village to village, inspecting the land, measuring the fields, and recording the customs and rights of different groups, my dear students. This is a new devised policy, my dear students. What happening here, my dear students, in early days about Holt Mackenzie, he appointed the people and he sent to village that people, that collectors, on the basis of they are doing his directions, they went to the village by village and they started to inspecting the land, measuring the fields, and recording the customs and rights of the different groups, my dear students. What does it mean by inspecting the land, my dear students? Yeah. Checking the land, inspecting means we are checking out the fertilization, my dear students, isn't it? Yeah, test. Yeah, yeah, that's called inspecting. So here, under the directions of Holt Mackenzie, he appointed some peoples and then he sent it to the uh, village to village, and they started to collecting the records from the customs, and they are inspecting the lands and measuring the fields, and it was done by different groups in the rights, my dear students. The estimated revenue of each plot within a village was added up to Calcutta. The revenue that each village had to pay. Here they given one word mahal. Mahal in British revenue records mahal. It's called as they stock they stored a lot of what we call records, goods and services also in that mahal. Yeah. Revenue estate. It is a revenue estate. Revenue estate means they are. Yeah. Yes. In early days, and as well as in nowadays is also we are seeing this type of revenue mahal and revenue estate. It will be in some other places also. We there they are stocking a lot of goods and services, my dear students. Yeah. These are the called the provisions of Britishers. Okay, so they what happening here? Okay, okay. What happened? Yeah. Topography. It's right. It's right. What you're telling, that's right. Topography. It was a devised. It was a devised new system from the who whom? No. Halt Mackenzie. Halt Mackenzie. He was what is there in this new devices system, my dear students? Okay, then next. Ah, you yes. Okay, you have okay, beta. You have to concentrate on whole this para about this new devices system. Only focus on this. He given important to the social. Then afterwards he sent some people as elected under the direction of his, and they want to inspect the land, measure the fields, and they have to collect the records from the customs and rights, etc. things. This is the main thing. It will be happen, and they will be started to concentrate on Kolkata, my dear students. Such revenue system, it will be goes try to goes up in early days to the Calcutta directly, not Bombay, Madras, and Bengal, my dear students. Remember this thing also. The Holt Mackenzie, he is from Calcutta. He started to such revenue goes up. He started to take up such revenue to the Calcutta only, and that's he sent it to the other places. And this demand was to be revised periodically, my dear students. This demand was to be revised periodically, not permanently and fixed. Not permanently and fixed, my dear students. The charge of collecting the revenue and paying it to the company was given to the village headman, my dear students. Rather than the Jamindar, the system came to be known as the Mahalwari system. The headman, one who, the headman, one who taking a charge of doing such things instead of Jamindars, that's called Mahalwar system, my dear student. It means they are, it means, see, it means in this system, they are not fixed revenue for a in term way. It means for a long way. They are not always they try to revise it periodically. It means 1 month, 2 month they will revise it, and this revenue system is not what we call they fixed permanently, my dear student. So that's the main problem. Just a minute, ಒಂದು ಕಾಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್, ಕಾಲ್ ಹೊಂಟದ, ಯಾವ ಹುಡುಗ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಹಲೋ ಹಲೋ, ಇವಾಗ ನೀನು ಕಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ನಾ ಆಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳ್ಸು. ಕಾಲ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸು. Sorry for the disturbance, my dear students. Okay, just a minute. Hello, hello. Now okay. ಹಾ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏಡ್ತದವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲತ್ತಾನ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಅವನೇ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಸತಸ್ಲತ್ತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಟ. ಯಾರೋ ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏಡ್ತ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟೇ, ಜಲ್ದಿ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಕಾಲ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿನ ಅವನಿಗೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು see what you want to remember, my dear students, in this Mahalwar system, instead of Jamindars, the village headman they took charges. And one more thing, here the revenue system, this is not fixed for a long time. It was revised periodically, and it was not permanent to paying the tax to the company, my dear students. Now this is called as Mahalwar system. Now okay, now understood all of you? In Vaibhav, headman new devices system bantala yakandre some problems they are facing in that system, my dear students. Now only we read, okay. And there's somebody, some people they are not showing any interest anywhere else to improve the land. So that's why so that's why he appointed some peoples, one who goes to village, and they, what we call, they starting inspecting land, measuring the field, and such things will be happen. Yes. Yeah, such a strategy will be happen in this system. You, whatever it may be you have in your own point, you keep it in your mind, okay. Whatever it may be you have ideas, that's in your, give it in your mind, that's absolutely right. Yeah, yeah. uh, yeah, this thing will be happen in new divert system. Yeah, 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 such thing, what I'm telling, my dear students, yeah, such things will be came under the this system, my dear student. What type of ideas you have, keep it in your mind, such things it will be absolutely right, okay. Then we have to concentrate on the Mahalwar system, and as well as who introduced this system of new system is devised, okay. ಅವೆರಡರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನೇನದ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ 1822. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ. ದ ಮುನ್ರೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್ in the south, there was a similar move away from the idea of permanent settlement. The new system that was devised came to be known as the Rioth. It was tried on a small scale by Captain Alexander Reed in some of the areas that were taken over by the company after the wars with Tippu Sultan. Subsequently developed by Thomas Munro, the system was gradually extended all over South India. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಯಾಸೇಜ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಯದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದವ್ರು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ಏನು ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಮುನ್ರೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೀವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಬೇಟ. ಸಿ what I'm telling now, the Munro system. In this Munro system was introduced by the Thomas Munro, and belongs to he is also one of the Governor General. And in this system, what happened? He is called as Munro system, as known as Rayat system. Rayat system, it's telling that he's taking some of the land. Okay, some of the land he's taking when he fought the war with the Tippu Sultan. Okay, after such areas that was subsequently developed, my dear students, after the taking of land by the Tippu Sultan, from the this governor general. Okay, in that early days only this thing happened, and he started to subsequently development that's called as Munro system. That's also known as Riyadh system. This system was gradually extended over all the South India industry. Accurate. ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕೆ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಶುರುವಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಡೇಸ್ದಾಗ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಡ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ನೋ, ಓಕೆ. They are sending the some headmans like how the new divisor system was introduced by Holt McKenzie. He is following that thing only, but he is concentrating on the which lands, which territories, which places by taken over by them, and they are concentrating on that thing only. Now you understood? Hello. Now you understood? Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನನಗ ಅವನು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಲಾಗ್ಯಾನ, ಅವ್ನಿಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಲಕ್ ಬರ್ಲಾಗ್ಯದ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕು. ಹಲೋ ಬೇಟಾ, ನೀನು ಮೇ ಬಿ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ ನೋಡು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ನಿಂದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಡ್ಲತ್ತದ. ನಾ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಿ ನಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಕಳ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ ನೋಡಮ್. ಹ್ಞೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೋತೀನಿ. ಹ್ಞೂ, ಓಕೆ. ಹಲೋ, ಆಡಿಬಲ್? ಓಕೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್. ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೇಟಾ. ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೀ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. See, I have two SIMs in only one mobile. If I have two mobiles, then it is easy to attend call and join them. But it is not. It is little bit difficult. So, ಇದು ಮುಂಡ್ರೋ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು? ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ದಾಗ. ಇವಾಗ ಯಾರೋ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಬಂದ್ರು. ಹಾ, ಹಾ, ಹ್ಮ್, ಓಕೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಏನಿದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಟೆರಿಟರಿ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. Small liquor lands and etc. things. They left there only. So then they will be started to focusing on that. Now, Munro felt that in the south there were no traditional jamindars. He felt that. What he felt? Disturbance, beta. If you are doing disturbance, I'm not going to take the class, please. Remember this. Then otherwise all things left up to you, my dear students. See, the Munro, he felt that. Okay. Early. ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋತೀನಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಾದರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾರ್ದವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು, ಈ ಮೈಕ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು, ಎಲ್ಲರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕೂತು ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ ಬೇಟ, ಓಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. See, Munro, he felt that ನಾ ಈಗ ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ದಾಗಿನ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ರೀಸನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. एविडेंस, हाँ एविडेंस न्यू एविडेंस तुम्ही रहना मैं क्यों अभी क्लास में से रिमूव किया बोले तो एविडेंस तुम्ही चाहिए देखो, तुम्ही बोलना उनके पेरेंट्स को. हाँ, ओके, फाइन, थैंक यू. वी विल मूव नेक्स्ट. सी here the Munro felt that there is no traditional jamindars are there in that South India. The settlement, they argued, had to be made directly with the cultivators. He thought that such type of settlement that will be had with directly made up with the cultivators. Cultivators is also known as riots, who had tilled the land for generations. Their fields had to be carefully and separately surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. Munro thought that the Britishers should act as parental further figures, protecting the riots under their charge. I hope you understood this sentence. Message ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಲತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ನೋ ಅಂದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೆಟಾ. Thomas Munro, he introduced the Munro system. He concentrated on a focus for small areas, okay, which was taken by the Britishers only. And then he had a direct contact with the cultivators, my dear students. He want to made up a permanent settlement with the direct cultivators. Cultivators, he has known also riots. Yes, okay, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Such things will be happened in early days in front of this Munro, my dear students. Like Charn Cornwallis example. Example, Charn Cornwallis introduced a new what we call a permanent settlement system, and another some peoples they are introduced such a new devised system. Such systems was trying to facing problems in front of this what we call Munro, and then he started to focus on such new idea. Now it's okay. Now it's clear. Ha ha. Okay. Yeah, argument is that thing they are not able to pay the such what we call a revenue directly to the company for as a term without any profit gaining profit such things. How could we pay them? So there is the argue. Okay. Right. So here he want to the Munro want to their fields had to be carefully and separately surveyed before the revenue assessment was made. Before the revenue assessment was made by the what we call such other governor generals, he want to devise it carefully and separate surveyed before the doing assessment of a from other Britishers. So Munro thought that the Britishers, Munro he thought that Britishers should act as paternal father figures, protecting the rights under their charges. What does it mean by paternal? Anybody has there? Yeah, that's right. Who is this? Munaf, right, beta. So they thought that such land was protected by them only under the charge of rights, my dear students. British, they thought like that. He is thinking in early days. Who? Munro. Such other governor generals, they thought like this. But Munro, he is thinking already. He thought already like this. Doubt ಏನಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಈಗ ನೋಡು ಅವ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಮುತ್ತಾದಾಗ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, and then I will be try to give them. That's called that what you telling. That's also right. What he told, that's also right, better. Okay, means such small scale land that was protected by the parental fathers. That's called as under the Riot charts. It means he is focusing on the grandfathers and their grandfathers. Monroe is focusing on the grandfathers and their grandfathers, because such land, uh, small scale land was protected by them only under the charge of Riot. So that's why he introduced the Riot system, my dear student. Now, okay. Hmm. Can we move next? Now, such things will be happened, but all was not well, my dear students. Within a few years, after the new system were imposed, it was clear that all was not well with them. Driven by the desire to increase the income from land, revenue officials fixed too high a revenue demand. Peasants were unable to pay. Riots failed the fled the countryside, and villages become deserted in many regions. Optimistic officials had imagined that the new system would transform the peasants into rich, enterprising farmers, but this did not happen. Are you understood? Shall we move next? Okay. Crops for Europe, my dear students. The Britishers also realized that the countryside could not only yield revenue, it could also grow the crops that Europe required. Which crops was required to Europe, that was is also grown in our India. They realized that thing. Such revenue was came not only from the countryside, such crops is also they are able to grow. They thought like that. Now they're focusing on agriculture. By the late 19th century, the company was trying its best to expand the cultivation of opium and indigo in the country. And yeah, I will tell, in the country, and half of that followed. Dear students, opium, it's the one of the type of drug, my dear students. Opium, it's a one of the type of drug which was it means for example, the some peoples are there in the society, we called as smokers. Now you understood, I think. Yeah, yeah, they started to focus the cultivation in Europe. They want to expand the agriculture cultivation, and then they will be started to opium and indigo. This was a plant. That plant gives us color, my dear students. Indigo, that plant was gives us color, and that color was used to dye to the cloths, my dear students. What does it mean by dyeing? Yeah, yeah, coloring. So that's called as indigo. Indigo plants that gives 2 to 3 colors, my dear students, like blue, red, green. Okay, these are the primary colors, and using these primary colors, it will be converted into such other colors. So here, what happened? They will be started to follow this thing only in early days, my dear students. Yeah. Oh, okay, okay. Once again, can you repeat it once again? Yeah, yeah. So that's why they are focusing on this thing only, my dear students. Okay. Y- Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. And here they are cultivating and they are exporting to the other countries, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Now, yeah, okay, such things will, yeah, okay, such things will be happen, my dear students. Okay, and we will move next. Okay, see, Britishers. Okay, okay, okay. So if you have concentrate on this thing only, okay, simply the thing is that they are ruling us and they are gaining profit. Okay, now Britishers pursued it for a forced cultivators in various parts of India to produce other crops also, like jute in Bengal, tea in Assam. Example, tea in Assam, sugarcane in the uh, United Provinces like Uttar Pradesh, now is in Uttar Pradesh, wheat in Punjab, cotton in Maharashtra, and Punjab, my dear students, rice in Madras. See, they pursued it means they convinced it to the peasants. They convinced it to the peasants, and they try to force it to cultivate such other crops along with this of human indigo. Example they are given here: Assam in tea, and wheat in Punjab, and jute in Bengal, a sugarcane in the United Provinces. Now it is in Uttar Pradesh, and rice in Madras, cotton and in Madras. So Maharashtra and Punjab. Yeah, yeah. They go near the coastal areas only. They go near the coastal areas. Or such thing. Yeah, such these places are very near to the coastal areas, my dear students. Remember and concentrate on this thing only. That's right. Okay, my dear. So here they convince it. They try to convince it, and they pursued it and force it to the cultivators. They should be must and should grow the crops like jute, tea, rice, cotton, and such things in various parts of India. How was this done? The British used a variety of methods to expand the cultivation of crops that they need, what they need, and that thing only they should try to expand in early days, my dear students. Let us take a closer look the story of such crop as method and production. See, here they given little bit one figure explanation. It should be left up to you. You should read it once, okay? Now, two prints, both of yeah, a rich blue color, commonly called indigo. Do you know how this color was produced? The blue, ಏನ್ ಬೇಟ ಸಾಕಾಯ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸು ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು ಸಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ. ಹ್ಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ತಗೋ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಸೊ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಹಾ ನನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಯದ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್